Hello bachcho, good morning. We have started this lesson, The Rat Trap, written by Salma Lagerlöf, a Swedish writer. In this story, it has been told that human goodness uh, is always there. Everyone has some goodness, and through kindness and love, we can make every bad man a good man. So this is the story, and the story starts when a rat trap seller. There is a peddler who sells rat traps, but because he was not satisfied with only that work, he also does two more work, and that is begging and stealing things. Begging and stealing things, these two works he also does. So the story starts uh, he when he was wandering one day, and he was very tired, so he thought that he must took a shelter somewhere, and he knocked one door of a house, and there was one old woman, one old man. That old man opened the door and greeted him uh, very well, because uh, that old man was alone. He has not any wife or child. So he was very happy because he was alone. So he thought that he has got a company. So he gives a porridge and gives him cigar to smoke, and they play majolis also. Then they go to bed. After that, the old man was just as generous with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. Old man was very generous. Generous means kind. Generous means kind with his confidences as with his porridge. So old man was very kind, and he was confident. He served him porridge and tobacco. He served the peddler porridge and tobacco. The guest was the guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity his host had been a crofter at Ramso Ironworks and had worked on the land. So the guest, the guest. Who is here guest? Guest. Who is the guest here? Guest is who is guest? Guest is peddler. Guest is peddler. This thief. This uh, seller. This seller is guest. Okay. And host. Who is host here? Host is crofter. Host is host is old man. Old man is host. So guest was informed. It means the peddler, that thief, was informed that once in the days of prosperity his host had been a crafter in Ramso Ironworks. Means he was a crafter. Crafter means he was a mechanic. Crafter means mechanic at Ramso Iron Works. Ramso Iron Works means Ramso Iron Factory. He was a mechanic at Ramso Iron Factory, which is one of the big iron factory in that area. And he worked there. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, it was his cow which supported him. Because he now not going there uh, to work, so he has a cow, and that cow is supporting him, cow is helping him, cow is actually uh, uh, is a source of income for him. Yes, that bossy was extraordinarily. She could give milk for the creamery every day. The last month he had received all the 30 kroner in payment. So that cow is giving milk for the creamery. So he is having a good income, and he also tells the guest, the old man also tells the guest that he has recently he has got 30 kroner in payment. The stranger must have seemed incredulous. So who is stranger here? Guest is stranger. So guest was incredulous. Incredulous means one who does not believe. One who does not believe is called incredulous. So uh, when he said that recently he has got 30 kroner, the stranger uh, from his face there was appearance that he was not believing this news that he had 30 kroner, because he means old man appeared very poor. So stranger could not believe this, as old man thought. This thing was thought by old man. For the old man got up and went to the window. So then what happened? Old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch. So there was a leather pouch hung at the window. So he went to the window and took down a leather pouch. Leather pouch means leather bag, which hung on a nail in the very window. That leather pouch was hung at the window frame, and picked out three wrinkled 10 kroner bills. And in that leather pouch there were three 10 10 rupee note, three 10 kroner bills, means three 10 kroner note, means total 30 kroner were there. There were three notes, and every note was of 10 kroner. These he held up before the eyes of his guest, noting knowingly, and then stuffed them back into the pouch. He was knowing this, so he showed three 10 kroner note with 30 kroner. He showed his guest. Then he put that money into the leather pouch and hung that leather pouch again at the window. The next day both men got up. Next day both men got up in good season. The crafter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. So next day both got up early. Why? Because crafter was in a hurry. Crafter, who is crafter? Crafter is old man. Crafter is old man, means a host of this home. So crafter was in hurry because he wanted to milk his cow, and stranger, other man is stranger or peddler or seller. So other man thought that the owner of a house is now awakened, has gotten up, so he should not sleep. He also should gotten up. So they left the cottage at the same time. So they miss both the old man and this peddler. Both have left the cottage. The crafter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. And then crafter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The man with the red trap said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went his own way. So man with the red trap said goodbye and thank you. Then both of them went to their own way. But half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. Yes, half an hour later, the rat trap peddler came again to the same house and he was standing before the door. He did not try to get in. He did not try to open that door. However, he only went to the window. He directly went to the window. He did not try to go into the door, but he tried to go near the window. He smashed the pane and window pane, the glass of window. He smashed, he cracked, he breaks that window pane, stuck in his hand and got hold of the pouch. He put his hand into the window and got that leather pouch which was hung just at the window. Uh, so he hold up the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. He took the money and put that money into his own pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place. And then again he hung that leather pouch very carefully at the same place and went away. Then he went away from there. So this is for today. Thank you.